Samsung is working on its new high-end tablet, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. This tablet is expected to be better than ever, offering powerful hardware, a stunning display, and many exciting features. While Samsung has not officially announced this tablet, leaks and rumors indicate it will be one of the best Android tablets in 2025. So let's take a closer look at what we can expect from the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Samsung is known for making sleek and stylish tablets, and the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra will continue that trend. It is expected to have a big 14.8-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1848 into 2960 pixels. This large screen will provide sharp and colorful visuals, making it great for watching movies, playing games, or working on creative projects. The display will likely support a 120 Hz refresh rate, which means scrolling and animations will be very smooth. This is especially useful for people who like to browse the internet, read documents, or use stylus pens for drawing and writing. The tablet may also support HDR10+, making colors look even better when watching high-quality videos. Samsung is expected to use a powerful chipset in the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. According to leaks, it will have the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus processor. This is a fast and energy-efficient chip that will make the tablet run smoothly, even when handling demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, or running multiple apps at the same time. To support the powerful processor, the tablet is rumored to come with 12 gigabits of RAM. More RAM helps the tablet handle several apps without slowing down. This will be useful for people who use their tablets for work, school, or creative projects. Some versions of the tablet might even come with 16 gigabits of RAM, which would make it one of the most powerful tablets on the market. Storage is an important feature of a tablet, especially for people who download a lot of apps, movies, music, and documents. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is expected to have 256 gigabits of internal storage, which should be enough for most users. However, Samsung is also rumored to include a microSD card slot, allowing users to expand the storage up to 1 terabyte if needed. This means users can store even more files without worrying about running out of space. A large tablet needs a strong battery to last all day. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is expected to come with a massive 11,800 mAh battery. This means users can expect long battery life, even when using the tablet for watching videos, gaming, or browsing the internet. Samsung will also include fast charging support. Rumors suggest it will have 45-watt fast charging, which means the tablet can be recharged quickly. This is helpful for people who don't want to wait too long for their device to power up. However, it is still unclear whether Samsung will include a charger in the box or if users will have to buy one separately. Tablets are not usually known for their cameras, but Samsung is improving in this area. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is expected to feature a dual camera setup on the back, including a 50-megapixel main camera for high-quality photos and videos, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor for capturing more in a single shot. For selfies and video calls, it may have two 12-megapixel front cameras, ensuring clearer calls and sharper selfies. This upgrade is ideal for professionals in virtual meetings and students attending online classes. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is expected to run on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI, bringing several enhancements such as improved multitasking, stronger security, and AI-powered features. Samsung DeX may allow users to connect the tablet to a monitor for a desktop-like experience, making it more versatile for work and productivity. The device is also likely to support the S Pen, which magnetically attaches to the tablet for easy storage and charging. Additionally, an in-display fingerprint sensor is expected for quick and secure unlocking. With improved split screen and multi-window support, users can seamlessly run multiple apps at once, enhancing efficiency for both work and entertainment. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is expected to support multiple connectivity options, including 5G, 4G, and 3G for fast mobile internet, especially for those using SIM cards. It may also feature Wi-Fi 6E for a faster and more reliable connection, and Bluetooth 5.4 for better pairing with wireless accessories like headphones and keyboards. However, the tablet is unlikely to include a 3.5mm headphone jack, meaning users will need Bluetooth or USB-C headphones. Additionally, it may not have an FM radio, though this is unlikely to be a major concern for most users. Since Samsung has not officially announced the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, the price is still a rumor. However, reports suggest that the tablet could be priced at approximately $1,500 in the US. This means it will be a premium device aimed at professionals, students, and tech enthusiasts who need a powerful tablet for work and entertainment. As for the release date, Samsung is expected to launch the tablet in mid to late 2025. However, this could change depending on Samsung's production schedule and market conditions. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, rumored to be a significant upgrade from the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, is expected to feature a larger 14.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, compared to the S10 Ultra's 14.6-inch screen. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, the S11 Ultra is likely to offer improved performance over the S10 Ultra's MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor. With up to 256 GB storage, the S11 Ultra is expected to provide better multitasking and camera performance, including dual 12MP front cameras, surpassing the S10 Ultra's camera setup. However, official confirmation is still awaited. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is shaping up to be an exciting and powerful tablet for 2025. With a large high-resolution display, fast performance, long battery life, and improved cameras, it could be one of the best tablets for both work and entertainment. If the rumors are true, this tablet will compete directly with the Apple iPad Pro and other premium tablets in the market. As we wait for Samsung's official announcement, more leaks and details may emerge. Until then, stay tuned for more updates on this highly anticipated device. So, that was all about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Thanks for watching.